If you want to use the different variations of Kenney.nl assets in your game but you don't know how, let me show you. After you download the assets and unzip them, drag them into your Unity folder structure. Once the files are in, you can see the textures folder under models. Each one of these textures correspond to a different variation. For example, the prototypes package has 3 variations, while the building kit only has 2. You'll notice that there is only a single texture in this folder because the default texture is the one that is already used for the assets. Here you can see that the default texture can be found in all the texture subfolders. But once you locate the variation textures, all you have to do is create new materials, one for each variation. In order to make sure everything works correctly, what I like to do is to duplicate the color map material on one of the objects, so all the other properties of the material are exactly the same. Then move the duplicate material into its own folder. This is optional but helps with organization. Then in this folder, keep duplicating the material again until you have one for each variation. Now, once you click on the material to inspect it, you should see in your editor the texture field next to the albedo section. Just grab the variation texture and drag it on here. Rename the material according to the variation you just attached. Now the material is ready to be used. You can drag the material onto the objects and they should be colored correctly. To test this, I added 3 cars and 3 convertibles onto my scene. Now I will drag and drop the different materials, one for each variation. And you can see that all the vehicles were colored correctly according to their variation. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Hope to see you next time.